Hey guys, Jeff here with Crossroad Garage. I am here today to talk about the Sporthfish clamps. These are for your trucks, for your tonneau covers, your camper shells, whatever you may need. I personally like to use them to clamp down, run a bungee through them. You know, you can tie down your kayaks, anything you want. I'll show you how they work, but first off, let's talk a little bit about them. It's full aluminum construction, powder coated. It's got your nice non-slip teeth on there for when it grips down. You have an 1.5-inch opening right here and an 1.5-inch opening right here. This is the part that's going to lip underneath the bed of your truck. We'll get to that right now. These come 4 in a pack. They come with the included hardware. You got your 3-inch long bolt with your lock washer you want to put on there. Make sure you get that on there. You're simply going to slide this up underneath your truck bed as so. Drop this down. And you can take a ratchet, whatever you want. I just happen to have this handy drill. Give them a nice tightening down. And that's not going anywhere. Now, as you can see, you could also run straps through here. You could run bungee cords, whatever you want to do. I do not have a camper shell on the truck, so I'm just using this piece of angle iron to demonstrate how it works. As I said, I like to use them, run bungees through them, hook them to kayaks, stuff like that, help keep them down, keep them from flying away. They come 4 in a pack. Fabulous price, can't beat it. Easy to dismantle, take off, and you are done. You should check out Amazon for all the wonderful products that Sporthfish has for your trucks, your vehicles, whatever. And also check out Crossroad Garage. I appreciate you watching. Y'all have a good one. Take care.